Colligative properties. Colligative properties are a set of physical properties of solutions that depend on the number of solute particles present in the solution, regardless of their identity. These properties are vital in understanding the behavior of solutions in various fields, including chemistry, biology, and industry. In this explanation, we will delve into the four main colligative properties: boiling point elevation, freezing point depression, osmotic pressure, and vapor pressure lowering. Boiling point elevation. The boiling point of a solution is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the solution equals the surrounding atmospheric pressure. When a solute is added to a solvent, it increases the boiling point of the solution. This is because the solute particles disrupt the solvent-solvent interactions, making it more difficult for the solvent molecules to escape into the vapor phase. Freezing point depression. The freezing point of a solution is the temperature at which the solution becomes a solid. When a solute is added to a solvent, it decreases the freezing point of the solution. This is because the solute particles disrupt the solvent-solvent interactions, making it more difficult for the solvent molecules to form a crystal lattice structure. Osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is the pressure required to prevent the flow of solvent molecules into the solution through a semi-permeable membrane. When a solution is separated from pure solvent by a semi-permeable membrane, solvent molecules will flow into the solution to dilute the solute. Vapor pressure lowering. The vapor pressure of a solution is the pressure exerted by the solvent molecules in the vapor phase. When a solute is added to a solvent, it decreases the vapor pressure of the solution. Importance of colligative properties. Colligative properties have numerous applications in various fields, determining the molecular weight of a solute, calculating the number of particles in a solution, understanding the behavior of solutions in biological systems, designing industrial processes such as distillation and crystallization.